Hi everyone, welcome back to the Top Percentile YouTube channel. I am Aditya Sridhar. I am an alumnus of JBIMS and I've scored a 99.99 percentile in the MBA CET exam. I had made a video about the boys hostel of JBIMS and उसमें मुझे काफ़ी comments आए to make a similar video for the girls hostel as well. So here it is. Let's get started. So there is a hostel available for the girls for JBIMS students. It is called the Madam Cama Hostel जो Churchgate में है. So it is again a Mumbai University hostel. There are I think 180-190 students का capacity है for selected colleges of Mumbai University, and it is open to JBIMS students as well. And also it is open to all programs, all the three programs, MSc Finance, MHRD and MMS. And what I've heard from the students is जिनको भी hostel चाहिए होता है, I mean obviously outside Maharashtra के students, whoever prefer a hostel do end up getting the hostel. Now the next part and the most important part, what are the fees? And very shocking that the fees are just 10,000 rupees per year. It is extremely subsidized when you are living in Churchgate, which is one of prime real estate of Mumbai. उधर आपका fees होगा सिर्फ 10,000 rupees per year. Apart from that, there is a mess in the hostel that is again very subsidized, extremely affordable, so you don't have to worry about food as well. And obviously outside you have amazing options in terms of street food. You have very expensive cafes and restaurants also, so आपके preference के हिसाब से you have a lot of options. Rooms, so just like the boys hostel and just like any government university hostel, please do not expect any luxury. ये रूम आर जस्ट फंक्शनल, जो आपके बेसिक नेसेसिटीज है वो आपको कवर करेंगे. देर आर 3 गर्ल्स पर रूम. देर इज अ कॉमन बाथरूम, देयर इज अ कॉमन स्टडी एरिया, एंड एवरी रूम के अंदर यू गेट अ कबर्ड, you get a study table, you get a side table and a bed. So these are the basic facilities in the room. And about the hostel, again you can't expect much, as I said, in the fees. And since typically government hostels are maintained but not maintained very well, so you can't expect luxury in these hostels. Now talking about the hostel life, here there is a slight catch. Curfew for the girls hostels is 8 p.m. Yes, you heard that right. The curfew is 8 p.m. You get a late night pass, I think twice a month, जिसके मदद से you can come in the hostel by 9 p.m. You also have a couple of passes that you can use to go home, but I think that's only once a month. अगर आपको 3 दिन से ज़्यादा hostel के बाहर रहना है and you want to go home, so you can just do that once a month. And all these permissions like coming at 9 p.m, coming, going home, ये सब के लिए आपको पेरेंट्स का परमिशन लगता है. अदरवाइज द कर्फ्यू इज 8 p.m. So obviously it is very strict, and that's why a lot of students prefer living in a PG or taking up a flat. I will make a video on the PG costs for the male and female students soon, so do subscribe to the channel if you want such information and want such insider exclusive content about JBIMS. So that's about the hostel. Obviously the hostel is a secondary need. Primarily आपका goal होना चाहिए to crack JBIMS first. उसके बाद there are hostel options, there are PG options. Your seniors will help you out in figuring all of those out. तो आपका focus सिर्फ CET पे होना चाहिए, सिर्फ JBIMS में घुसना होना चाहिए. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel to not miss out on such updates. I'll see you guys in the next video.